Hi everyone, welcome back to the CrickFit YouTube channel, bringing you all things health and fitness. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Today I'm coming at you from one of my garden boxes where I have two fabulous plants, zucchini plants growing. Because today I'm going to show you how to make stuffed zucchini. It's really important to me to provide my family with farm fresh produce, and for me that means growing most of it if I can. That way I know what's going into the soil, if there's any fertilizers that are a part of that, and we stay away from all of that for sure. So what you're getting is fresh backyard produce, and it doesn't get any better than that. So to make our stuffed zucchini, the first thing we're going to need is zucchini. I have just picked 3 lovely zucchinis, and the next thing we're going to need is an egg. So follow me to the chicken coop. Okay guys, welcome to my chicken coop. One of the things I love having are my own backyard chickens. My whole family, we eat a lot of eggs. I use it for cooking. We eat eggs every morning, hard boil them. And eggs are one of those foods that it's really hard to find good ones in the store. If you look at the fine print in a box of eggs and a dozen eggs, it usually says free range, organic, those are good, fed a vegetarian diet. Chickens are not vegetarians. Technically, chickens are insecticides. They need to be eating bugs and worms and all of that gross stuff to give the eggs the proper nutrients. How you know an egg is a good egg is when you crack it open, the yolk should be golden, almost orangish, even bright orange, not a pale yellow. If your eggs are a pale yellow, you know that the chickens are not getting the proper nutrients. So I skip the stores altogether and we have our own eggs. So let's see how many eggs we have today. We have 4 eggs today. 1, 2, 3, 4. All different colors, nice and beautiful. No, it does not matter what color your eggs are. It depends on the breed of chicken. This is blue because she lays greenish blue eggs. And we're going to close back up the box because she's looking to come in and lay us another egg.
So welcome to my kitchen, and now I'm going to guide you through how to make stuffed zucchini. I put all my ingredients out on a cutting board so that it's really easy for you to see what goes into it. The great thing about stuffed zucchini is that it is so versatile. Seriously, like everything but the kitchen sink. Any vegetables you have on hand or in your garden can go into making this one pot meal. So we have our zucchini from the garden. Today I had some peppers on hand that need to be used, and then I clipped a little bit of sage. Also basil or even cilantro go really well. I'm choosing to use ground turkey today, but certainly you could use ground beef or ground chicken. We have our eggs from our chickens. We have onion. We have cheese. I'm using manchego cheese, which is made from sheep's milk. I try to stick more towards goat and sheep dairy for my family because it's more gentle on the digestive system, unless of course you are drinking raw cow's milk or raw cow cheese. So manchego cheese for us today. I have some mushrooms. I have a ton of spinach, certainly bell peppers, kale. Seriously, the sky's the limit. Anything that you have in your kitchen, any vegetables that you want to use up. And then I'm just using salt and pepper as my seasoning today, but chili flakes, anything else that you like. Also would be good to note that you don't have to use meat. You could make this totally vegetarian. We eat meat in our family and I like to switch it up. So this is a good way to get some turkey in. So next I will guide you through the step-by-step. It's super easy. Most of the work involves chopping the vegetables and prepping, and then you just stick the whole thing in the oven. So here we go. Okay, so now I have sliced and diced everything and it's gonna go into the pan. All of it is just going to go into the pan together. We have our turkey that I already cooked. And the only thing that's missing is the inside of the zucchini. So what we're gonna do with these is steam or blanch them for just a couple of minutes, just to get them soft enough that we can easily cut them in half lengthwise and then scoop out the insides, and then that'll go in here too. And then we'll cook all this up and I'll show you what to do next. So when you're stuffing your little boats, I recommend using a slotted spoon so some of the moisture from the zucchini drains out, and you just equally distribute all your good stuff. So I'll fill up all of these. The oven has been preheating at 375. I'm gonna pop these babies in for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, we've been in for approximately 12 minutes or so. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, can you see that? And here's a close-up shot of our stuffed zucchini. Does that look delicious? For all you lasagna lovers out there, this is certainly gonna hit the sweet spot. So I hope you all try this recipe. It's super fun in late summer now when zucchini is aplenty. Thanks for watching. See you all next time.